Well, I'm doing mine on arteries, veins, and capillaries. Comparison and contrast. Arteries are vessels that carry blood away from the heart. Veins carry blood back to the heart. Capillaries are exchange vessels. Um, they're microscopic thin-walled vessels that connect to the smallest arteries to the smallest veins. And the comparison or contrast with these is the differences in their structure. Arteries and veins are composed of three layers called tunics. The tunica interna lines the inside of the vessel and is exposed to the blood. It consists of a simple squamous epithelium called the endothelium. Acts as a barrier to materials entering or leaving the blood system. It also secretes chemicals for dilation or constriction of the vessel. It also repels blood cells and platelets so they can flow freely without sticking to the vessel wall. However, if the endothelium is damaged, platelets may adhere to it and form a blood clot. Also, if the tissue around a vessel is inflamed, the endothelial cells produce cell adhesion molecules that induce leukocytes to aid in the defense where it's needed. And the middle layer is tunica media. This layer strengthens the vessels and prevents blood pressure from rupturing them, and it regulates the diameter of a blood vessel. The innermost layer is called the tunica externa. It anchors the vessel to the tissues and provides passage for small nerves, lymphatic vessels, and smaller blood vessels that supply the tissues of the larger vessel, like the vasa vasorum. And now let's take a look at the arteries, which is a part of the circulatory system. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to the tissues, except for the pulmonary arteries, which carry blood to the lungs for oxygenation. They are more muscular than veins to withstand the surge of pressure as blood is ejected into them. They are divided into three classes: conducting arteries, distributing arteries, and resistant arteries. Now we'll take a look at capillaries. These are the smallest type of blood vessel in the body. Their job is to enable the exchange of substances between the blood and tissues. Capillaries bring oxygenated blood to the organs and carry away deoxygenated blood. They are known as the exchange vessels. There are a few types of capillaries: continuous capillaries, fenestrated capillaries, and discontinuous capillaries. And now we'll take a look at veins. Veins are thin-walled, flaccid. They can carry more blood than arteries. Unlike arteries, veins are subjected to low pressure, so they don't require thick, pressure-resistant walls. However, veins get bigger as they get closer to the heart. There are usually 5 types of veins: postcapillary venules, muscular venules, medium veins, and large veins. Veins are responsible for returning deoxygenated blood back to the heart after arteries carry blood out. Thank you.